What's going on YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, it's a case video. See a nice exclusive box. We got something nice. Got one of the Aramid fiber cases. Got the ThinBorne case from ThinBorne. So we're gonna check that out for my Galaxy S23 Ultra. We're gonna get straight into it. As you can see, nice boxing, guys. It looks like a carbon fiber case. That's a nice touch right there. Boom, the case is revealed, guys, off the break. And that's a nice look. As you can see, you got some nice carbon fiber going on. And then you got some protection for your cameras going on. So very dope. Even though we carbon fiber and we want that designer look, we want that unique exclusive look, we still got some protection going on. So let's get this out. Also, we got an installation guide and some stickers and things of that nature, because we also have a tempered glass screen protector in the box with the case, which is very dope. We're not going to get into that. We just going to get straight into the case. Now, as you can see, nice Aramid fiber. It's got, you can feel the texture, guys. That's one thing about these Aramid cases. If they ain't got the texture, I'm not feeling them. This one has some nice Aramid texture to it. As you can see, we built up around the camera department, because that's one of the most important parts of the S23 Ultra for sure. Okay, these cases are more so like a lifestyle case, guys. Just very unique, very different. Not super boasted up or super protective. Very slick with some protection going on for the back and your cameras. As you can see, we got some raw bone branding going on. And if you look in the inside of the case, you've got that ThinBorne sticker and you got MagSafe. Definitely dope. I love using MagSafe because I got a nice little MagSafe dock, and I like to be able to also throw my S23 Ultra or whatever Android phone I'm using on the dock. Down the bottom, we got some nice big cutouts and things of that nature, and up top we got some cutouts also. I think that's just the way the case is designed. Okay, guys, this is a very clean look, and this camera looks so good and so protected up in the corner. I like how this looks. That's a good look, especially with my graphite S23 Ultra best color. Aramid fiber cases aren't known to be protective. This is a minimal lifestyle type case, but it is a little bit of raised lip protection. All your cutouts are big enough and exposed for whatever you need to do. Get your S Pen out or charge your device. So shout out to ThinBorne for sending over this carbon fiber / Aramid fiber type case. I like this Aramid fiber. I like the look. And now we got MagSafe going on. So MagSafe is very dope to have on Android or iPhone now. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. If you're not following me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life, go ahead and follow me. It's your boy BG. I'm out. Peace.